Hi there! In this video, I'll show you how to send snaps are not being saved by friends. To start, open and locate your Snapchat. In this example, I'll be using 2 accounts. For now, I'll be taking a random photo of my keyboard. I'm going to be sending it to one of my dummy accounts. I'm going to click on Next and send it to one of my accounts, Tarim. And I'll send it. For now, I'll be logging out in this account that I'm using to show you a sample snap. So give me a few seconds. I'm going to be switching accounts. All right, I'm going to click on Log Out. Now that I have logged out, I'm going to switch to my account Tarim. And then I'll open it. Hang with me here. It's taking some time to load. All right, Snapchat has now loaded. To begin with, I'm going to go over to my profile. It's on the upper left. Once done, I'm going to go back to the home window and then click on chat. Now that the message has been received, now I click on the message that I just received from my other account, and then I'm going to save it in chat. It's that easy. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, share, and subscribe.